If hard work made people rich, teachers would be millionaires. If high income made people wealthy, doctors would never go broke. So why do smart, educated, hardworking people still struggle financially? Because they were taught to work for money, not build it. This is chapter 1 of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and it starts with an idea: the don't work for money. The rat race. Most wake up because of fear. Fear of bills, fear of debt, fear of falling behind. So they get a job. They feel relief when the paycheck hits. Then desire kicks in. Better car, better apartment, better lifestyle. Now expenses rise, so they work harder. That loop is the rat race. And here's the uncomfortable truth: the system doesn't trap you, your emotions do. The shift. The rich feel fear too, but instead of asking, how do I get more money, they ask, how do I build something that makes money? That question changes your future. Key lesson: stop asking, how much do I make? Start asking, what do I own? Chapter 2: Why Financial Literacy Matters. Most people think their house is an asset. It's not, and that misunderstanding alone keeps millions stuck. The truth: asset equals puts money in your pocket. Liability equals takes money out. Simple. But most people increase their income, then increase expenses. That's not wealth, that's pressure. Wealth is measured in cash flow. If money flows to you every month, you're building power. If money flows away, you're building stress. The rich buy assets first. Lifestyle comes later, and that discipline changes everything. Chapter 3: Mind your own business. Your job is not your business. Let that sink in. The reality: your employer owns the system. You own the paycheck. That's it. The rich understand something early. Employment pays bills. Ownership builds freedom. Even if you work 9 to 5, you should be building assets after 5. Stocks, real estate, digital assets, businesses. The middle class works for companies. The rich build them. Chapter 4: Taxes and Corporations. Hook. Employees get paid, then taxed. Business owners get paid, spend, then taxed on what's left. That difference is massive. The system. The tax code rewards owners. Corporations legally reduce taxes through expenses, investments, and deductions. The rich don't cheat, they understand structure. If you don't understand taxes, you're playing blind. Chapter 5: The Rich Invent Money. Opportunities are everywhere. Most people just don't see them. Why? Because they're trained to look for jobs, not deals. The rich train their eyes differently. They look for undervalued assets, mispriced opportunities, leverage. Money isn't found, it's structured. When others see risk, they see potential. Chapter 6: Work to Learn. High income doesn't equal wealth, it often equals higher stress. The shift is, instead of chasing salary, chase skills. Sales, marketing, negotiation, leadership, investing. Income without skills disappears fast. Skills create options, and options create leverage. Chapter 7: Overcoming Obstacles. Most people don't fail financially, they quit mentally. The 5 obstacles: fear, cynicism, laziness, bad habits, and arrogance. Average mindset: that's risky. Wealth mindset: how do I manage the risk? Comfort feels safe, but comfort rarely builds wealth. Chapter 8: Getting Started. You don't need millions to start, you need movement. Action plan: start small, buy one asset, track cash flow, study money weekly. The best investment is financial education. Momentum beats perfection. Chapter 9: Still want more? Reading won't change your bank account. Execution will. To-do list: stop what doesn't work. Find mentors, study deals, make offers, take calculated risks. The rich move fast, they learn fast, they adjust fast. Chapter 10: Final Takeaway. Knowledge makes you aware, action makes you wealthy. The final message: wealth isn't about income, it's about ownership, it's about control, it's about freedom. The rich focus on assets, the middle class focuses on salary. One builds independence, the other builds dependency. And now you understand the difference. In the end, that's the full breakdown of Rich Dad Poor Dad. If you watched this entire series, you don't just understand money differently, you see the system differently. But remember, books don't change lives, decisions do. Start small, build assets, stay consistent, and most importantly, think like an owner.
See you in the next series.